Benson? Thank you.
Are you gonna go get something to eat?
We're gonna go to concessions because we're starving. Like, I'm really, really hungry.
Oh, you're gonna get concessions from here?
Yeah. I'm in like a real...
Do you know how to drive?
Yeah, I know how to drive.
Do you have your car?
No, I don't have a car. Like, I don't know. Because we all came here on the same...
You guys have it.
Stephen?
You're Stephen Benson? Wait, hold on.
Yeah, Stephen Benson.
And they're only at a minute?
Yeah, it like changes. It goes like a minute, then a minute 30. They just like leave it and just go with it.
And this is first period, right?
Yes.
Okay. Watch him. The referee. Watch for him to give points on which hand, green or red.
Like how you green? Red.
You see how he lifted the red hand and he put 2? So when you add 2. Oh shit. Yeah.
You haven't started the game again?
Red takes down.
What did he say?
No, red is top. Did he lift? No, she lost today. Hold on, baby. I have no idea. You know what? I gotta take him out. Huh? Yeah. I got the 2. I need to take the -2 off. Do you know how to do that? Do you know how to take off the 2?
Like, no, remove it?
Yeah.
40?
Yeah.
Should be 40.
Oh, delete. Yeah, got it.
And we're in the second thing.
You're in the third now. And we learned something new. Then I saw him go like this, and I was like, okay, wait, was that a this or was that a that? Well, I just put the add 2 in the stuff on the -2.
Mom, is this my one?
What, baby? Won't go right now.
What am I done with this?
Do you do with this? Yes.
These are really cool.
What?